McDonald's McFlurry versus DQ's Blizzard, and they're both Oreo flavored. I think technically neither of them use ice cream. They both state ice milk. I don't know what ice milk is. Starting off with the McFlurry. Now I think this was probably one of the first desserts I ever had growing up, and this is a classic. It's quite nostalgic. It honestly tastes like their soft serve ice cream and they sprinkled Oreos on top of that. Every bite you're getting an Oreo. It's properly mixed and there's even some Oreo chunks, which is nice. And they still use these thick plastic spoons. And that's also square. I don't know why. I think they mix with the spoon too. I don't know if that's how they use it. I'm giving this a 8.7 out of 10. Next up, we got DQ's Blizzard. I don't know why everyone does that. Like, I'm sure McDonald's can do this too, right? I don't see why that's such a big deal. It's honestly creamier than McDonald's, but taste-wise, it's really similar. I'm giving this like an 8.8 out of 10. It's a 0.1 difference better than McDonald's in terms of flavor, but everything else is the same. Except this is much more expensive. This is like double the price. If you put a blindfold on me and you fed me both of these, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. But I will give DQ extra points for their straws. I actually keep these and leave them in my spice jars because they're long enough where you can snap it and just leave it in your spice jar. Or you can get the smaller spoons. So I guess DQ can come in handy sometimes with their spoons. So for double the price, I don't see why you would go to DQ. I'm going with the classic McFlurry.